Welcome to Trip Tech. Piece of MOTO E7 Power from Motorola, launched on 19 February 2021. It comes with two rear and one front camera, and it comes in two variants, and it comes under the category of low budget mobiles. There are two color options: coral red and Tahiti blue. It is about 165.1 into 75.9 into 9.2 mm in dimension and 200 grams of weight. Body is made of front glass, back plastic, and frame is plastic. And this is what we can expect from the budget end phone. It has a display size of 6.51 inch with IPS LCD technology, 380 nits, with a resolution of 720 into 1600 pixel and ratio of 20:9 with 269 ppi density. If I talk about the variant, it comes with two variants. One is 2GB RAM with 32GB of internal storage, and second is 4GB RAM with 64GB of internal storage. It supports SD card, but it shares with SIM slot. This mobile supports 2 nano SIM which have 2 slots in it. Both SIM will support 4G network. And it has a dual standby. Standby means actually, if suppose you are attending one call and there is a second call on the another SIM, then it will be like a waiting option for you. And this mobile have two rear cameras. One is 13 megapixel 26 mm wide f2. Second is 2 megapixel f2.4 micro, and it can shoot up to 1080p at 30 frames. Front camera is 5 megapixel 27 mm wide f2.2, and it can shoot up to 1080p at 30 frames. MOTO E7 Power comes with Android 10 with MediaTek Helio G25 12nm chip with octa-core processor. In this, 4 is 2 GHz and 4 is 1.5 GHz and Cortex A53. GPU is PowerVR G8320. If I talk about the connectivity, it comes with Wi-Fi 802.11, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, LTE, PP, and SUPL with FM radio and USB Type-C 2.0 USB on the go. This mobile also has biometric like fingerprint at rear mount, and it comes with 5000 mAh battery. That's why it is named as Power, with a 10-watt charger in it, and it starts at €90, and in INR if I talk, it is 8,299 rupees. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe. Thank you.